We are painting 10 different Christmas trees using 10 different creative ideas. This is the 6th Christmas card in the series, and this is a pixelated Christmas tree. Hi, I'm Prema. Welcome to my channel. Let us start by drawing the pixel boxes. First, I'm drawing two vertical lines at the middle of the paper. These lines determine the height of the pixelated tree. Next, I'm drawing a horizontal line. It is going to be the base of our Christmas tree. At the top of the two vertical lines, make a square, and below that square, make 3 squares. Below that 3 squares, make another set of 3 squares. Next, we are going to make 5 squares. Below that 5 squares, make another set of 5 squares. Next, we are going to make 7 squares. Below that 7 squares, make another set of 7 squares. Next, we are going to make 9 squares. Below that 9 squares, we are going to make a set of 7 squares. Below the 7 squares, at the middle of it, make a single square which is going to be the trunk of the pixelated tree. For your easy reference, I have mentioned the number of boxes in the screen. You can take a screenshot of this and use it as a reference for drawing the pixelated Christmas tree. After drawing the tree, you can start to paint with different shades of green that you have in your palette. While recording this video, my phone storage got full and the recording got stopped automatically. I didn't notice that, so the last part of the video got missed. I'm sorry about that, but I could explain it. At the bottom there is a single square which is going to be the tree trunk For that I gave brown color. I added one more square at the top of the tree and gave it red color. If you have any doubts, write it in the comment section, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my watercolor channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.